Ah! Oh, attack of the killer car. Oh, you're going backwards. Turn the ah. Oh. Turn your remote around. Turn this around. There you go. Is he gonna climb the tree? Here. Get a bite, gotta get a bite, gotta get a bite, gotta get a bite. Oh, there it is. You parked in the handicap spot. Do you have a handicap sticker to go with that car?
Nope.
You don't have a handicap sticker? Whoa! Ah! Back, go, go, go.
Oh, and that's a real pup.
Is what?
That's a real pup.
Oh yeah, is wheel pop?
Yeah.
You gotta get a what? Oh, the tow truck? You have to tow him out again. Good job.
You beat that guy.
Okay.
Me beat that microphone. That guy went down.
Is he stuck again?
Yeah.
Oh no, let me get him out. Beep, 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 beep. There you go. You're welcome. Try it again. See if you can make him land on his tires. Oh, did you see that? Do it again.
No.
Let's go. Up the bush, up the bush. Here I go. Turn around. Beep, 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 beep. There we go. Where do you want him at?